What the fuck is happening?
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts until 8:45 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Holyoke, Northampton, South Hadley, East Hampton, Hadley, Hatfield, Williamsburg, Huntington, Conway, Ashfield, West Hampton, Whately, Chesterfield, Worthington, Goshen, Cummington, Plainfield, and Middlefield. Northwestern Hampton.
Yeah, I'll count both of those. What?
Across New England. At Portland, partly sunny 68. Freiburg, mostly sunny 82. Augusta, mostly
Sure
sunny
thing, man, sure thing.
74.